Hello and welcome back to Electric Wheeler's YouTube channel. I bought myself a new electric scooter from NIU Technology. This model is called KQi2 Pro. I'm glad you're here so we can unbox this together and see what's inside of it. By the way, I'm going to make a bunch of other videos of this scooter, so if you're interested, please hit the subscribe button so you wouldn't miss out. Alright, let's open this box and see what we have there. It seems the scooter is well protected with all the cardboard around it. This is an extra grip tape for the deck. I think it's a really nice add. Then we have this small box. You can find there a manual, a bunch of papers, an extension nozzle for easier air filling, a small wrench, 8 screws and a charger. The manual is really thorough. There is a guide for easy assembling, riding instructions and some safety warnings. You should definitely take a look at it. Alright, let's continue to assemble our scooter. Basically, we just need to install the handlebar. The handlebar is loose, so we need to be careful not to damage the wiring. Before we can install the handlebar, let's connect those cables. Then, just push the cables inside of this post and assemble the handlebar. Use the screws and small wrench to lock the handlebar in the correct position. After that, you can turn on the scooter, and I also suggest connecting the charger. I am pretty sure you want to test the scooter out as soon as possible, but right out of the box, the battery is not full. Next, we should download their app. Just scan the QR code from the manual. If the app is downloaded, register the account. Just follow the instructions in the app. After successful registration, we can bind our new scooter with the app. Make sure you choose Bluetooth for the binding. Also, the scooter must be turned on. Next, you have to give a name to your scooter. After that, you have to go through a little tutorial. The app shows you where the brake lever and accelerator are, and you must watch a funny short cartoon about how to use this electric scooter. It seems that the company has worked really hard on that. Congratulations, the scooter is now ready to use. When going on a first ride, you notice that the top speed is really low. Don't worry about that. You have to ride about 200 meters, then you can increase the speed limit from the app. For that, click the 3 dots on the upper right in the app. The speed limiter is under custom mode. Just slide the speed limiter higher. Alright, that's how you unbox and get started with new KQi2 Pro electric scooter. I am going for a ride now to test out the maximum range. Subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out the next video. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next videos.